lock here. Right. Audrey, he might be gone for a very, very long time. Audrey, could I ask you something? Just imagine for one moment, there was no Audrey 2. I was nothing. A nobody again. Would you still like me?
I still love you, Seymour.
And it's settled.
What's settled? A gun!
And bullets! And machete! And rat poison! Tomorrow morning, after Life magazine takes our picture, you know who bites the dust!
Seymour!
That's right. Home away, that nice little place you always dreamed about. There will be no more midnight feeds. No more squalling for blood.
What feelings? What blood? I don't get it, Seymour. Bullets, knives, rat poison. It scares me.
Audrey, there's nothing to be afraid of. We'll move away to that nice little place you always dreamed about. We'll live happily ever after. We'll have a nice little house with a nice little car and no plants. No plants at all.
It's cute, Seymour.
Oh, you better be going now. There's nothing to be scared of.
I can't leave you in this condition.
Audrey, trust me. Everything will be okay. Just go.
Feed me.
Under no circumstances.
Feed me.
I will not, so stop asking.
Feed me.
Look, I'll run down to the corner store and get you some rare roast beef. Maybe that'll hold you until the Life magazine gets here in the morning.
No way.
It's my last offer. Yes or no?
It's better than nothing.
Fine. Done. Finished. And don't think you're getting dessert.
I couldn't sleep. I took the Sominex. But voices in my head kept saying no to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I tried so deep, but see the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour's sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Lady, hello.
Who said that?
You looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You looking mighty sweet.
Seymour!
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me,
Oh my God!
your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, it ain't in Kansas, neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
Favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branch. I'm a goner, honey. Come on, give me a drink.
I don't know what I do.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
What am I?
Sure you, I'll drink it straight.
That's okay.
Don't need no glass of wine. Don't need no crystal light. And now it's supper time.
Audrey, are you okay?
No.
Oh, Audrey, please don't die. I need you.
No. The plant just didn't just now. It said that all I missed the mustard was already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong and you're so
I've done terrible things. But not to you. Not to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, it should be very shortly. Give me to the place so we can live to bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
Audrey, you don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you.